All right, folks, welcome to the weekly crypto market update. Going over Bitcoin and ETH. I am not gonna do the other alts other than ETH and Bitcoin. Those ones you could do yourself. Just take this analysis and put it on them. Because if Bitcoin goes up, everything else goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, everything else goes down. So as I said in my last crypto market update, that I want to see Bitcoin to range. If Bitcoin ranges, then I'll pump. If Bitcoin declines, then we can see some sort of correction, or we can see no correction. Just some coins stay flat without getting affected because it's going to be just a Bitcoin thing without involving the other alts, right? So that could also happen. Now, on my last analysis, I did say that we're looking for a bear market, but that was wrong. I was wrong. My timing was wrong, which I apologize. Which I don't apologize to nobody. Actually, I apologize to myself. Now I know more knowledge. Now, as you guys know, the last quarter out of the Healy candle will usually be the one to reverse, depending on if the market meets the objective or not. You could also expand, or you could also reverse. If the market meets its criteria, you could reverse. If the market doesn't meet its criteria / key level, it's going to expand. In this case, we're already up on the goal out of the yearly candle. So on the 3-month time frame, as you guys know, the last quarter, this is the third quarter right over here. The last quarter is going to be the one to determine the bear market, right? As you guys know, the last quarter of the year always determines the bear market start. Last quarter right over here, right? Last quarter reversal, last quarter reversal, and simple as that. And anything other than that, we don't have it because Binance doesn't show the chart. But you can see last quarter of the year always called a reversal. Same thing to Friday and same to Thursday and Friday. It calls reversals. Same thing to last week of the month, short-term reversal or fully reversals. Same thing to the quarterly, right? Last quarter, potential reversal zones or expansion if the quarter matrix has not been met, right? Where the key level has been met. Now, on the higher time frame, we have a 3-month CRT, a 3-month key level, not CRT. Not key level, I mean open how low close concept, I mean. On a 3-month time for 1 month and 14 days, so we have a whole month, we have a whole half to go through we have a whole month, like not a month, we have a whole half to go through this quarterly candle, so it's a lot of time. Now the monthly, first month out of the quarterly candle, we ranged. Second month, we're going to be manipulating. Third month, we're going to be expanding. So the first month, it's going to be range, right? It's not going to be the higher low of the month, of the quarter. So market open here, expansion. Now we're going to see some sort of reversal and eventually go on from there. So a 3-month time frame open, right? It constantly instantly expanded. For the first month, as you guys know, out of the quarterly candle, the first month will usually not make the high of the month or high of the quarter. Usually will consolidate. So fourth month consolidation, second month is going to be manipulation, third month expansion. So the quarterly candle is still open, you made the high. So now we have a 1 month and 14 days left. There's a lot of time, so we can go back down, make the low and close, or we could wick above and close. Now the weekly time frame will weekly see the downside. Right, first week accumulation, second week manipulation, third week. First week accumulation, second week inside bar, third week manipulation, fourth week we can see some sort of expansion to the downside. Now also we have our key level. Our key level is obviously this positive liquidity, the monthly CRT high. And yeah, on the daily time frame we wicked above, so we can see some lower prices on the next daily candle. Breaking down below, we did support a high, but we did support a low as well. We made a stable high and a stable low. So this daily pop, this pop over daily high may get contested, right? So we see the high, see the low, stable high, stable low. We have premium discount. I do want to see the market go up higher here, then go down lower. So this pop up of a daily high is going to be invalid. Now going up to Ethereum, we have a, excuse me on that. I had my setup for a very long time. That was like, what? Damn. I haven't looked back at this chart since 2023, man. Right? So, yeah. This was when I was first not looking into crypto, but this is when I was like, you know, telling people to fucking buy it up. I did by myself. I fucking fucked it up, alright? Fucked it up. Greed is good. Greed is good, alright? But on Ethereum, our target goes over here, overall right over here, this high. Why is it this high? It's all-time high because we first had the resistance block, of the retracement. After retracement, we target the highs. Right, simple as that. On a 3-month time frame, same thing. We have no more CRTs here. On a monthly time frame, we have no more CRTs here. So we opened, made the low instantly. Week 1 made the low. Eventually looking to make the high and close. Right, so we have 1 more week until the monthly candle close after this week. So this week I can anticipate a tap into this daily, weekly fair value gap. Tap the weekly, super out the weekly CRT low, expand to the all-time high. So this could be a KOD. This right here could be the KOD. And it will be the KOD because it's very simple and easy here, right? So a television block, you can cause some sort of retracement, right? Same thing happened in the higher time frame. Same thing is happening in the lower time frame, right? So I was going to tap the fair value gap because the television block and cause a retracement. Tap the fair value gap, which is the IRL. Eventually, go target that all-time high. So next week you can anticipate some sort of price to the downside and go from there on forward. So right now, I'm not looking for any longs yet until the next week, because next week I do want to see a dump here. From here on forward, I'm looking for the if principle. If we break wick below, then we can anticipate higher prices and then go on from there. And we also have this daily range here, so you want to keep in mind of that as well. So market could potentially fuck around here for a little bit before go down lower, right? So we could, what you could anticipate is you could sell off this highs and eventually go down lower, tap it, and go up higher from here to the all-time high. Now for the total 3, excluding Bitcoin and ETH, we're still targeting the same target for the past 6 months. We have been talking about 3 months here to the upside, I think with IRL to ARL on the monthly time frame. Same thing to the upside, right? Open low, we're gonna make the high soon, eventually close. Pull together a month, usually makes the high of the month, and eventually we're gonna close from there on forward. And yeah, next month should be the month to expand very hard because first month accumulation, manipulation, right? This monthly candle didn't target the high, so next monthly candle is just gonna, the next quarterly candle is gonna fucking fuck it up, right? And just go target it. Then we could see some sort of bear market. But on the total 3, Ethereum and Bitcoin dominance with the same thing still is getting a lot of dominance, which is beautiful. Now I'm still anticipating to go to the high, eventually go on from there, call some sort of all season. And yeah, that is what I'm looking for ETH and Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. You guys join us down below, and I'll see you guys later. Join the Telegram, not the Discord. I don't know why I said to Discord. Join the Telegram in the description down below.